Give another Pia egg.
Pia, come here, come here.
Oh, check the another color.
Here, I found the green egg. Pia, here.
You check kuya the color.
Red and yellow eggs.
Green egg.
Green egg.
Oh, there, green egg. Oh. Green egg.
What is it?
Don't pick the round ones.
What else?
Next is a blue egg. But how in the world we can find a blue egg? Smell 2 types of flowers. Follow Bella.
Palo kuya. Oh, blue.
I found it.
Blue kuya, there. Oh, blue. Oh, wait. There, oh, blue.
It's a blue egg.
Here, oh.
Not blue egg. It's a blue. It's a purple egg.
That's a blue nut.
It's the. Bella, I have 2 types of flower. Marianne, this can count here. This counts. You have yellow. That's flower. Yeah, I think I smell. But don't get the wrong
What
egg.
else na?
Green.
Complete na?
Two types of flowers.
You have the green, you have the red. Yes. Yellow and blue.
Hey, I think I found a blue.
Oh, they're yellow.
Guys, it's a blue pony egg.
Maano ma...
It's a blue pony egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm nagiging...
Yeah, there's a blue egg. Hey, don't collect too many eggs at the same time.
There's a chick.
There.
No, that's it. That's the styrofoam chick.
It's hot. A styrofoam chicken. What style? Oh, I found the egg. Kuya, pull me. What's that? What's that? No, egg. That's
Kuya,
an egg
you,
pit.
you open the egg daw kuya.
Are you serious?
This one or the egg. Open daw.
Open the all eggs.
What else? Oh, do you want it down?
You open daw this one.
If there are,
Yeah.
may laman.
Yeah, you're green.
Open.
I cannot find it.
Open dai, open. Open the egg.
Thank you.
Hey, no. You open the egg.
Egg.
This one, oh, this close. Open the kuya, open the egg.
I go open myself.
Empty?
Yes.
No. Let's go.
Yeah, here's a green one.
I really hope we can do it, because they're all depending